I like Achiever Dreams because the notes they give me is very organized and have very detailed explanation, which makes me understand the topic better. Hi, my name is Geraldine Loi and I am from Third Secondary School. Before joining Achiever's Dreams, I have been failing my chemistry. However, after joining Achiever's Dreams, my chemistry have improved from F9 to A2. The teachers here are very patient with us. Whenever a student is in doubt, the teachers would answer the student's question and further explain the question to the students so that we would understand better. Also, the teachers will give very detailed explanation to each question in class. This has helped me to better understand the concepts and topic as compared to my school. The lab tuition has also helped me greatly. Initially, I did not know how to pour acids from test tube to test tube. However, after joining Achiever's Dreams lab tuition, I finally know how to pour. The lab tuition practice is a good way to practice, as in schools we have very less chances of going to the lab. So this lab tuition practice is a good way to help us practice and secure our 20% for our O-level.